Hey guys, it's Ayami. Welcome to Ayami's Cooking. Today I'm going to make Japanese curry rice. Yay! Everyone loves Japanese curry rice. Yay! Okay, curry rice is super easy to make and it doesn't take long time to cook. Also, I'm going to introduce one secret ingredient. I hope you will enjoy this video. Now, let's get started. I'm gonna cut vegetables first. Onion first. Oh, spiciness. Ooh. Okay. Next, carrot. Then potato. And first, peel the shell. Shell じゃない。Peel potato. Jam. Cut the potato into small pieces. Hi, vegetables are done. So next, I'm going to cut the chicken. I'm using a chicken thigh. So cut chickens into small pieces as well. Maybe this big. Instead of chicken, of course you can use like beef or lamb or kangaroos or pork. Any kind of meat is fine. If you are vegetarian, you can still enjoy curry without meat. Done. Chickens are too much. So okay. Next, I'm going to start chicken. Everyone loves butter. Everyone loves butter. Everyone loves butter. So put butter into some pot. About 10 grams. Then heat it up on medium heat. Then add all the chicken. Oh, chicken. Chicken. Then stir them well. So after chicken is cooked a little bit, add all the vegetables. Wow. Did I miss? No. Then stir them well again. After a few minutes later, I'm going to add water into this pot. Smells so good. So after onion get a little bit skeleton like this, I'm going to add water. After that, cover this with a lid and then change the heat to low heat. And simmer them for about 30 minutes. Sometimes skim off the scum. So while I'm waiting for this, I'm going to prepare rice, and this is really important thing. Before you cook rice, please make sure you wash your rice. It's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to add this golden curry. Japanese curry mix. No meat contained. Extra hot. First, I'm going to add 2 cubes. 1, 2. And mix well and melt them. If the curry flavor is too weak, I'm going to add 1 more cube. Now it's done, but I'm going to add secret sauce. This is tonkatsu sauce. Yeah, this is optional, but if you have this, please try this. It's gonna be more tasty. My mom told me. So good. Now rice is ready. Woo, wow. ただきます。This is a little bit spicy because I used extra hot curry. But because I used butter when I stir chicken, it's still kind of mild. And chicken is really tender. And I don't know, it's so good. So I used tonkatsu sauce as secret ingredients. But also chocolate or like honey, they are so good too. Please try them. It's so good. Thank you for watching. How was my curry? It was so delicious as usual. Anyway, if you cook too much curry, you can freeze them and eat it later. But do not freeze potato. Potato cannot be frozen. You may know, right? It's so bad. Also, I'm going to make curry buns with my leftover curry. So if you are interested in, please watch that video too. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.